In this video, I'm going to share with you things that I wish I knew before starting this journey because oh my god, someone needs to help me. You know when they keep saying, oh, it's not easy for you to start a YouTube channel? Not easy. Those are not the right words. The right words are frustrating, sleep depriving, annoying. If you're someone that has anxiety or you take things deeply, yeah, you might need to contact your therapist first because it will crack you up. Now, let me tell you what happened to me recently. Hear me, people of the world and members of the Artcast family. It's your girl Naomi Gatthis reporting live from Earth again. I know. Sad. The craziness is minimal today because, oh my god, I'm so pissed. And I will be sharing with you the reason why I'm pissed because it's I never thought I would do this video, but because of what happened to me yesterday, I'm going to do this video and I'm going to share with you things that you need to know. You need to prepare yourself from. This is just a sister helping another sister out because, girl, prepare yourself for these things. If you're new to my channel, I'll just have you know that I am pushing my glow up process on YouTube. So this is self-development with Naomi. I'm not going to be doing it alone. Then feel free to subscribe. Click the bell button to get notified whenever I post. For now, I have videos like how to love yourself, how to be confident. By the end of next week, I should have the video up on how to properly glow up. I'm still on the glowing my glow up process. More of we'll be going on this journey together. This video is mostly centered on the before starting. If you're looking for after you've uploaded, what to expect, blah, 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 blah. That's not what I'm going to talk to you about. I'm going to talk to you about the process required for you to actually start to upload that video. So if you're interested, then stick around and let's get to it. You know how we used to see all these celebrities and they get on camera and sometimes they just freeze for a long time, and there are conspiracy theories that, you know, the devil be speaking to them. Well, I didn't get the devil's memo every single time it happened to me. Yes, it doesn't matter if you're confident in front of the camera. It doesn't even matter if you have a script. Freezing on camera is a real thing. I don't know if it's just me, but if you've already started YouTubing, comment down in the section if you also experience cam freeze, because sometimes I just freeze. Even though I was saying it before off cam, when I come on cam, sometimes I freeze and forget literally everything. And you have a remedy. If you have a remedy, please share, because somehow I'm still experiencing this and it takes about 20 minutes out of my filming time. I go by a script, right? Because I'm a perfectionist like that. I tend to want to have my things organized before I start to film because I don't want to waste time trying to think about what I want to film before I film it, because you might think it takes about 1 or 2 hours to film, but it can take longer than that if you don't have a script. So sometimes I advise my friends who also ask me, you know, how do you make a video so nice? Scripting is like the most important thing. But one other information I'm going to drop: if you're going to be using scripts, something I noticed from my first and second video is that I don't write everything out. I just write an outline of what I would like to say, because writing the whole script made me realize I forget what I want to say passionately, and it seems like I'm almost just reading it off a piece of paper and I forget the lines. So I write the outline of what I'd like to say, then I wing it in front of the camera. So usually all them, you know, tips and tricks, right? Just the outline and I wing it like I am winging this right now. It just makes it feel real natural when you're speaking from the heart, but you don't want to be that speaker from the heart that doesn't know what they're speaking of or about. See, that's a problem. If I had written a script, I would know what to say. Okay, moving on. Scripting is an important tip, something I would recommend for people to do because it will save you filming time. For something that ends up being just 3 to like 20 minutes. Behind the scene, it takes a lot of time. It is really time consuming, honestly. I mean, I know you have to put time and effort into it before, like they say you have to put time and effort into it, but in between schoolwork, in between business, in between trying to get my life together, I kind of wish that I pushed this forward like maybe a few months. I was reconsidering starting now, like I wanted to just push this forward to like a few months later. So I would advise that if you know you have like a really tight schedule already, unless you're going to cut down by scripting, avoiding cam freeze, probably ask a friend to edit it, or you know you could stay up late to just edit instead. I mean, I'm not telling you to procrastinate your journey, don't get me wrong. I need you to be prepared for the amount of time you would have to spend in creating one video. Okay, just be prepared for it, and definitely I would say start out with one video per week to just ease into it instead of trying to go full blown, because honestly, if you think you're going to make 3 videos per week in your when you're just starting, you're deceiving yourself, unless of course you literally don't have anything to do, like nothing else to do. I've been
6.5 hours later.
I've been losing sleep as well, because the only time I do get to film is at night like this, and you know, it's somehow, it's sacrifices, yes, sacrifices, but just be prepared that it's time consuming. Now, let me tell you what happened to me recently. So, I film with my phone. I use an iPhone X, and I don't have space on my phone, right? So, I take the clips to this app, you know, I put them all together, and that's what I was doing for the other video. I was supposed to post this video on the 31st, right? The clips on my phone were having audio and video syncing issues because I was trying to like cut the important part. This is why editing takes time, especially because there are a lot of bloopers. Oh my god, that's another thing you have to be aware of. So taking time to cut those important parts out, then putting them together or arranging them before you put them on the app you use, and then start to put like effects and everything. Honey, I done all of this. I just needed to save the full clip, 12 minutes worth of it, and then I didn't have space on my phone. So excluding the fact that it took me a day to realize that, you know, I could just turn off my phone and turn it on again before I edit the photos, the videos, so that they would not have the audio issue. At least some of them would not have the audio video syncing issue. But you know, that aside, now I've taken about 4 hours to edit this video and everything is on point, right? Saving the video, I don't have space, blah blah blah. So I tried to like delete videos and everything from my phone, and then I deleted them permanently. I go back on the app. So apparently the app did not save the videos on the app. Like it didn't extract. It was using it straight from my gallery.
What?
Now that it was gone, it was like... It was just gone, and I still haven't even edited the video, and I'm probably going to just be I'm probably going to film like short clips to just put with the clips that I still have, and put that video out there. I still haven't put the video out there, and the video is, you know, how to properly glow up. So yeah, it's time consuming, sleep depriving, and it can be really frustrating, very annoying. And if you're someone that has anxiety or you take things deeply, yeah, you might need to contact your therapist first, because it will crack you off. But anyways, I just wanted to share, because why not, right? I can't post that video right now because I haven't edited or, you know, done new clips for it. I'm still undergoing my glow up process. I already have a lot of videos that I've been displaying on here, so feel free to go watch them, and I will see you in my next video. And oh my god, success on your YouTube channel. So bye.